Yes can be said as oui or as si in French. Now what's the difference? When do we use oui and when do we use si to mean yes in French? Also, are there other ways to give an affirmative reply in French language without the use of oui or si? Finally, what other meanings are there to the French word si? These are the questions that we're going to be looking at together in this video. Let's go. Hello, FeyiFrench here. This channel is all about learning French with ease. If that sounds nice to you, hit the subscribe button down below and tap on the notification bell so that you are made aware whenever a new video is released. So to our first question, when do we use oui and when do we use si to mean yes in French? Put simply, oui is used to answer yes in French when the question is asked in a positive tone. That means when the question does not contain the word not in it. For example, tu es marié? Tu es marié? Are you married? Oui, je suis marié. Yes, I am married. On the other hand, si is used to say yes when the question was asked in a negative tone. That means when the question contains the word not in it. For example, tu n'es pas marié? Tu n'es pas marié? Are you not married? Si, je suis marié. Yes, I am married. Another example. Vous voulez manger du gâteau? Vous voulez manger du gâteau? Do you want to eat cake? Do you want to eat cake? Oui, nous voulons manger du gâteau. Nous voulons manger du gâteau. We want to eat cake. In the negative, vous ne voulez pas manger de gâteau? Vous ne voulez pas manger de gâteau? Don't you want to eat cake? Do you not want to eat cake? Si, nous voulons manger du gâteau. Si, nous voulons manger du gâteau. Yes, we want to eat cake. Of course, when your answer is negative, the tone of the question does not matter. When you want to say no, you always use non. Non, je ne suis pas marié. Non, nous ne voulons pas manger de gâteau. No, I am not married. No, we do not want to eat cake. Now to our second question. What other interesting ways are there to give an affirmative reply without actually using the words oui or si in French? Now look at this question. Je peux m'asseoir ici? Je peux m'asseoir ici? Can I sit here? Ouais. Ouais. That means yeah or yep. So it's informal, right? You wouldn't want to use that in an official setting. You could use it with family, friends, okay? Ouais. Je peux m'asseoir ici? D'accord. D'accord. That means okay. That's another way to give an affirmative reply. D'accord. Je peux m'asseoir ici? Bien sûr. Bien sûr. That means of course. Je peux m'asseoir ici? Pas de problème. No problem. Je peux m'asseoir ici? Certainement. Certainement. That means certainly. Je peux m'asseoir ici? Absolument. Absolument. That means absolutely. Je peux m'asseoir ici? Tout à fait. Tout à fait. That's like surely, certainly. You know, the French use it a lot. Now on to our third question. What other meanings does the French word si have apart from yes? Si can be an adverb and mean so in English. So, for example, elle est si jolie. Elle est si jolie. That means she is so pretty. She is so pretty. Also, si can mean if. If, for example, ils veulent savoir si vous êtes prêt. They want to know if you are ready. And then si can also be used with a negation to mean as. As. For example, je ne suis pas si beau que lui. Je ne suis pas si beau que lui, which means I am not as handsome as he is. I am not as handsome as he is. Je ne suis pas si beau que lui. So what have we learned so far? First of all, oui means yes, si means yes. Difference, oui is used to reply affirmatively to a positive question. Si is used to reply affirmatively to a negative question. Whenever you're replying negatively to whatever the tone of the question, you use non. In an informal setting, you can use ouais, which means yeah. And other ways to give an affirmative reply include bien sûr, certainement, pas de problème, absolument, tout à fait, d'accord. Now to the question of the day. Translate this conversation to French. Dad, I am 14. I am not a baby anymore. Oh yes, you are still my baby. Feel free to drop your answers in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a like. Oh wait, you're still here. That means you're enjoying it. So go ahead, give it a thumbs up, and feel free to leave your comments down below if you have any questions, or even if you have a particular lesson that you'd like me to make a video on, just let me know and I'll try to attend to it. That's it for me for now, and see you in the next video. Au revoir. Ciao.